In this video, I'll break down the top 5 air fryers and which air fryer I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best air fryer and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Ninja AF141. This is our 5th ranked pick, but still delivers exceptional cooking performance with its air crisp technology and high-speed fan reaching 2600 revolutions per minute for consistent crispy results. This compact 5-quart air fryer operates between 40 to 210 degrees Celsius and features 4 preset modes: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. It requires up to 75% less oil than traditional frying methods while maintaining food quality. The unit's ceramic-coated non-stick basket can accommodate 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. The digital control panel offers straightforward operation with a countdown timer and automatic shutoff feature. Temperature stability is notably reliable, making it ideal for precise cooking requirements. The dishwasher-safe removable parts ensure easy cleaning, while the 1750-watt power output provides quick heating and efficient cooking times. At number 4, we have the COSORI CAF5508AT. This 9-in-1 air fryer excels at rapid cooking with its advanced 5-speed fan system and temperature range of 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The 6-quart capacity basket accommodates meals for 3 to 5 people, making it suitable for family cooking while maintaining a compact footprint. Its 9 cooking functions include air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, proof, reheat, and keep warm, offering versatile cooking options. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. The digital touchscreen interface provides intuitive control over temperature and timing settings. The unit features automatic shutoff when the basket is removed for safety. Operating quietly, it uses up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods while achieving crispy results. The air fryer includes access to over 100 recipes through the companion app, though Wi-Fi connectivity is not included in this model. At number 3, we have the ChefWave 16-quart air fryer. This air fryer delivers exceptional cooking versatility with its large capacity and powerful 1800-watt heating system. This countertop appliance combines air frying, rotisserie, and dehydrating functions in one unit, featuring a double-layer glass interior door for better heat retention. The smart temperature control system maintains precise and stable cooking temperatures throughout operation. The unit comes equipped with comprehensive accessories, including 10 skewers and specialized racks for baking, steak, and fish preparation. Its one-touch smart programs allow for customizable cooking settings, making it suitable for various cooking methods. The professional-grade construction includes a spacious 16-quart cavity that accommodates family-sized portions. The automatic indicator system helps monitor cooking progress, while the integrated rotisserie function ensures even cooking results. At number 2, we have the Nutrichef NCAF5508AT. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its dual 4.4-quart baskets that enable simultaneous cooking of different dishes. This 8.8-quart air fryer employs 360-degree hot air circulation technology to cook food evenly and efficiently, operating at temperatures between 160 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a 60-minute timer capacity. The unit features 9 preset cooking programs and a transparent viewing window that allows monitoring of the cooking progress. Its digital interface provides straightforward control over time and temperature settings. The construction includes 304 stainless steel heating elements and heat-resistant materials, ensuring durability and consistent performance. Safety features include automatic shutoff and overheat protection. The non-stick removable baskets are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. With dimensions of 16.5 by 15.7 by 12.7 inches, the appliance offers a substantial cooking capacity while maintaining a relatively compact footprint. The black finish and modern design complement contemporary kitchen aesthetics. At number 1, we have the CUCKOO CAFGA0601S. This is the best air fryer you can buy on the market and is backed by a strong Korean brand. It excels at indoor grilling with results comparable to outdoor grilling while requiring minimal cleanup. This 6-quart capacity air grill combines 5 cooking modes: air fry, broil, bake, roast, and grill in a stainless steel construction. The unit features both touch controls and knobs for intuitive operation across 18 preset modes. With 1700 watts of power and dual heating elements, it delivers faster cooking times than traditional ovens. The appliance includes 3 well-constructed accessories: an inner pan, grill grate, and mesh basket for air frying. Its air frying capability reduces oil usage by 95% compared to traditional frying methods, while maintaining crispy results. The spacious interior allows simultaneous cooking of multiple ingredients, making it efficient for preparing meals for 2 to 4 people. The premium grates ensure even convection cooking, and all accessories are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A recipe book with 40 recipes is included to maximize the unit's versatility. The appliance comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. So that sums up my top 5 air fryers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.